Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by stripping the bed and inspecting the mattress for wear or stains. Rotate the mattress every 6 months to promote even firmness and longevity. Place a clean mattress protector and then a crisp fitted sheet tightly over the corners. Smooth the sheet by walking around the bed and tucking any excess fabric under the mattress. Lay the ironed flat sheet with the finished edge aligned with the headboard. Leave equal overhang on both sides and smooth seams to avoid visible wrinkles. Start layering with the flat sheet facing down and hem toward the foot. Add a lightweight blanket if needed for warmth, and then place the duvet inside its cover. Center the duvet with equal overhang on both sides and shake it to even distribution of fill. Create a 1-inch hospital corner at the foot to give a tailored, hotel-like finish. Fold the top sheet back 2/3 to reveal a neat cuff and show contrast between sheet and duvet edges. Place 2 sleeping pillows upright against the headboard with matching cases. Add 2 standard decorative pillows in front, aligned and slightly overlapping for depth. Insert a lumbar or bolster pillow centered for a polished focal point. Smooth pillow seams and plump each pillow by hand to restore loft. Lay a folded throw or blanket across the foot to show intentional styling and add warmth. Finish by running a lint roller and lightly misting with lint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.